ECS Carpet Certification. Discover what the ECS levels mean. The Environmental Certification Scheme, or ECS, ensures that textile floor coverings meet high environmental and performance standards, from design and manufacturing to installation and end-of-life reuse. Let's explore what is required at each ECS level for carpets. From Level 1 to Level 4+. ECS Level 1 focuses on ensuring carpets are fit for purpose and enhance indoor environmental quality. In ECS Level 1, products must meet durability and performance standards under the Australian Carpet Classification Scheme, ACCS, demonstrate low VOC emissions to improve indoor air quality, and provide acoustic and thermal insulation benefits. Manufacturers must also follow the Code of Practice for Environmental Management, ensuring safe, sustainable, and responsible manufacturing processes. At ECS Level 2, the focus is on the materials used. Manufacturers must eliminate toxic substances, heavy metals, and hazardous substances, and ensure all ingredients are safe throughout the product's life cycle. They must also publicly disclose the raw materials they use and comply with industry-wide environmental product declarations, thereby promoting transparency and consumer trust. ECS Level 3 recognizes manufacturers who take measurable steps towards sustainable production. At this level, manufacturers must collect and report data on energy, water, and waste to optimize processes and reduce environmental impacts. They must also operate under an environmental management system and provide health product declarations detailing the effects of each ingredient on human health and the environment. ECS Level 4 champions product stewardship, extending the carpet's useful life and managing its end-of-life responsibly. At Level 4, manufacturers must have recycling programs, provide clear guidance on installation, maintenance, and disposal, and demonstrate independent verification that these programs truly work. ECS Level 4+ is the highest recognition under the scheme, reserved for manufacturers showing ongoing, measurable improvements in their environmental performance. They must demonstrate year-on-year reductions in energy use, water consumption, waste, and carbon emissions. Additionally, in this level, companies must complete a modern slavery declaration, ensuring ethical and responsible supply chains across their operations. Remember that each ECS level requires completion of all criteria from the previous levels. For example, to obtain an ECS Level 4+ label, you must meet all requirements from the levels 1, 2, 3 and 4 as well as all Level 4+ criteria. Through the ECS, the Carpet Institute of Australia helps drive continuous environmental improvement across the industry, ensuring every certified carpet contributes to a healthier, more sustainable future. Thank you. Presented by the Carpet Institute of Australia.